Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad SYAUQI bin Syahrudin. My metric number is 23DIF 23F 2013.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Aniq bin Azmi, and my metric number is 23DIF 23F 2006.
Hi guys, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad FAHRIN bin FND, and my metric number is 23DIF23F 2008.
Hi, my name is Muhammad AKMAL bin Muhammad Fazil. My metric number is 23DIF 23F 2011. Yeah.
Today I want to explain what is objectivity concept. The meaning of objectivity concept is the business financial record to prepare based on verifiable, evident and transaction detail obtained from resources of document to support the business transaction that has taken place. Furthermore, entries based on personal view or perception should be avoided because they are inaccurate and not reliable. Example, the recognition of revenue should be based on verifiable evidence such as the delivery of goods or issue of invoice. That's all from me. Now I pass to SYAUQI. Bye-bye.
Hi, I want to talk about the historical cost concept. What is the meaning of historical cost concept? This concept requires all assets and liabilities of a business to be recorded at their historical cost. Historical cost is the original cost of obtaining an asset or liability. All asset and liability will be recorded with same original amount until the assets are sold and the liabilities are full paid. For the example given, ABC Sendirian Berhad bought a car on 1 January 2020 for 5,000 paid by check. This transaction was recorded in the accounting books.
I want to talk about money measurement concept. Money measurement concept is, the meaning is only transactions and events that are capable of being measured in monetary terms are recognized in the financial statements. All transactions of the business are recorded in terms of money. It provides a common unit of measurement. For example, market conditions, technological changes, and the efficiency of management will not be disclosed in the accounts. So I pass about the business entity concept to Aniq.
I'll be talking about business entity concept. What is business entity concept? It means that the business and its owners are two separate entities. This concept claims that the personal activities of a business owner have nothing to do with business and are not considered as business activities. As such, they cannot be recorded in any of the business transactions. For the purpose of accounting, the business entity is treated as a unit on its own and is separated from the financial information of the owners. For example, drawing account, where all the owner's personal transactions will be recorded in this account. Insurance premiums for the owner's house should be excluded from the expense of the business. The owner's property should not be included in the premises account of the business. Any payment for the owner's personal expenses by the business will be treated as drawings and reduce the owner's capital contribution in the business. Now, we'll be discussing on the going concern concept in accounting. This fundamental principle plays a crucial role in financial reporting, providing insight into a company's long-term viability and financial health. The going concern concept, also known as the going concern assumption, is the assumption that a company will continue its normal business operations indefinitely, without any intention or necessity of liquidation or cessation of operations. In simpler terms, it implies that the company will remain in business for the foreseeable future. An example of the going concern concept in action would be a manufacturing company that has been in operation for several decades. Despite facing periodic economic downturns or changes in the market, the company continues to operate, generate revenue, and invests in its operations. In its financial statements, the company assumes that it will continue to operate for the foreseeable future, allowing it to appropriately value its assets, liabilities, and equities. That's all for this question. We'll be going for the question 2.
First is about credit purchase. The name of this document is invoice who sent by the seller to the buyer. The first one is original. It actually means it's sent by the seller. The sender need to put his name of business and the address of the company, and need to put the business name of the receiver and the address also. Next, number invoice is INV 5463. Okay, we talk about in the column. First, item code. The number of this code is BAH 1232. Next, particular. Bahulu. It's actually the product that Biswabona purchased from the seller. Next, quantity. The quantity that Biswabona purchased, which is 300. Next, per price unit. RM 10 ringgit, price per unit. And total amount is 3000 because per price unit RM 10 ringgit time quantity 300, and it will be RM 3000. Lastly, prepaid by the sender, which is Bahulu Pak Abu Enterprise.
Okay, so for question 2, purchase return or return outwards. The source documents of transaction for purchase return or return outwards is called credit note. The source document is used to inform the buyer that his or her account has been credited with the stated amount. So for this transaction, Biswabona Enterprise received a credit note from Kedai Ali to inform that 100 unit of Bahulu was returned due to defect for a total of RM 1500. Okay, that's all.
For question 2, which is credit sales, the name for this document will be invoice that the seller will give to the buyer. As you can see, the document has a document number that is INV 1231. These documents are issued by Biswabona Enterprise to Kedai Ali who made a credit purchase. The column shows item code, particulars, quantity, price per unit, and total amount. Now I pass about memo to SYAUQI.
I want to talk about memo. Did you know a memo is also known as a memorandum? It is often used as a note on certain business events that need to be announced if no other document exists, and it is usually circulated internally and within a business. A memo was issued as a notice when there is an additional capital, drawing of asset, and drawing of goods, or any extraordinary event in the company. As you can see, the example given from Finance Department Biswabona Enterprise give memo to Director of Human Resource Department Biswabona Enterprise.